Alright, welcome guys. Welcome to another episode of KDM Boys. What an amazing match have we seen between Australia and England. What do you want to say about that, Nami?
It just happened like we expected, a high scoring match. Both the innings going more than 300 runs. It was the England who first batted. Ben Duckett carrying the bat almost throughout the innings. He got some assistance from Joe Root, who was scored
मतलब
out.
उसका कमेंट निकला तो सही
निकला तो सही भाई। वो उसको हाई स्कोरिंग होने वाला है, हाई स्कोरिंग होता है। देखो, कुछ भी कर लो, बाबा नमीद 10 चीजें बोलते हैं, 9 गलत होती है, बट एक तो सही
होती है.
The England missed a chance by not going for 375 run mark, as they were well ahead till the 40th or 42nd over, and we saw a new death bowling combination by Steve Smith. Manas Labuschagne was bowling in the death, and not
He was bowling leg spin?
yes, he was bowling
Leg
leg
spin?
spin. Uh,
He took 2 wickets also यार, थोड़ा रन खाया but ठीक है.
he bowled his first over in the middle overs and the rest of the overs in the death overs itself, as the fast bowlers were not on that money in the in the match, and England batters were almost comfortable against scoring them.
यार वो तो देखो, हमने बात किया ही था, कंसिडरिंग द फैक्ट दैट इफ यू हैव न्यू फास्ट बॉलर्स, स्पिनर्स अभी भी है ना, थोड़ा इजी हो जाता है कि मिडिल ओवर्स में डालते हैं वेयर द बैट्समैन आर नॉट ट्राइंग टू अटैक, बट द फास्ट बॉलर्स कमिंग इन प्लेइंग अ न्यू मैच इन अ चैंपियंस ट्रॉफी, इन अ नॉकआउट टूर्नामेंट, दैट वाज वो टफ तो होना ही था उनके लिए. बट इफ यू टॉक अबाउट द bowling ऑफ Australia, what I liked is that they trusted the fast bowlers enough to give them opportunity. ऐसा नहीं है कि चार पांच ओवर के बाद रियलाइज हो गया कि ये नहीं चल रहा है तो इसको अपन नहीं डलवाते, डला है सबको 7 8 10 ओवर, एंड दैट इज हाउ दे आर गोइंग टू लर्न. एंड है उनके पास लाबुशे टू बोल 5 ओवर्स इन बिटवीन, दे हैव मैक्सवेल आल्सो जो डाल सकता है इन बिटवीन. Matthew Short also I think bowled 1 or 2 overs.
Yes, Matthew Short bowled one over,
One
but
over.
I had expected him to bowl much
Is
more.
he a good bowler? I
Yes.
think he was a keeper, no?
No, he's a good part-time bowler.
as well as batsman.
But वो कीपर भी है.
नहीं, ऑस्ट्रेलिया वाला कुछ भी कर सकता है.
ऑस्ट्रेलिया वाले कुछ भी कर सकते
कोई
हैं.
भी
That is
कुछ भी कर
exactly
सकता
what
है.
happened in the match, guys.
कुछ भी कर
ऑस्ट्रेलिया
सकते
वाले
हैं.
कुछ भी कर सकते हैं.
एक चीज आई वुड लाइक टू हाईलाइट कि स्टीव स्मिथ की कैप्टेंसी, बेन डकेट वाज गोइंग हार्ड ऑन ऑस्ट्रेलियन बॉलर्स, फिर भी उसने ऐसा नहीं कि आई वुड नॉट टेल, मतलब फिर भी उसने फास्ट बॉलर्स पे रिलाई किया, उस वो लोग को चांस दिया. उसके पास स्पिनर्स थे जैम्पा, बट स्टिल उसने फास्ट बॉलर को चांस दिया. आई थिंक इट्स
I
अ
think Zampa
ग्रेट.
का ये भी है कि Zampa being a leg spinner bowling to Duckett in his arc, सब बॉल अंदर आएगा, Duckett घुमा सकता है, and Duckett is that kind of a player, right? We discussed about it in the last video कि चला तो चांद तक वरना रात तक, तो वो चांद तक चला, वो चांद के पार मार्स भी पहुंच गया, 165 मार दिए. I mean that
Hole
is
दिया,
a
160
hole
that
दिया.
hole.
Yeah.
160.
161, 165.
160.
Coming to the chase, what a chase!
एक ही सही हो सकता है.
Coming to the chase, what a chase! To a 350 regularly chase नहीं होता.
ये ऑस्ट्रेलिया के डीएनए में है. मतलब
DNA.
कोई भी आके कुछ भी कर जाता है.
अभी नहीं होता है, पहले बहुत होता था चेस, मतलब 350 पहले
मतलब कब तू तो
Parallel
20 साल का है,
universe.
तो तेरे को मैं कब
इन अर्ली
अभी भी तेरा बचपन नहीं चल रहा है.
मतलब पैदा भी नहीं हुआ था, बट तभी मुझे याद है मम्मी के कोप में मैंने सुना था कि इंडिया 400
पर अभी तो देख सकता हो ना पहले की मैचेस.
दैट इज अ ग्रेट आंसर टू गिव, बट कौन सी देखी है तूने ऐसी मैच, प्लीज बता मुझे कि 350
इंडिया इंग्लैंड.
इंडिया इंग्लैंड अगर नेटवर्क सीरीज 2002 की बात कर रहा है ना, तो वो 326 रन चेज हुए थे.
अरे दैट क्लोज ना.
Close. I agree. Thank you for making me remember one of the greatest matches. Go watch if you've never seen India versus England NatWest final. Mohammad Kaif and Yuvraj Singh arriving on the scene. Coming back to this match, 22 पे 2, 136 पे 4. Both the times they lost quick wickets. They lost the openers very quickly. Then they had a decent partnership between Steve Smith and
Matthew Short and Labuschagne.
Matthew Short and Labuschagne. Okay, Matthew Short and
स्टीव
Labuschagne.
स्मिथ भी चल गया.
Steve Smith भी जल्दी आउट हो गया था. So and then they again lose 2 quick wickets, 136 for 4. Josh English and Alex Carey are not the batsmen जिसके ऊपर आप भरोसा
हाँ,
करोगे
rely
कि
कर
एलेक्स
सकते
कैरी
हो।
तो मैंने कभी देखा ही नहीं है कि वो इतना लॉन्ग इनिंग्स खेला हो.
and I was
मतलब
very surprised with the same thing. So what do you want to say about that? Josh English scoring what 121, 120. शर्तें लग रही है. Go for it, Nami.
Both the keepers are playing in tandem from quite few matches.
Josh English is a keeper also.
Yes.
Oh, nice.
उन लोग के पास कीपर बॉलर बैट्समैन सब लोग सब करते हैं.
And they are currently in a good form. Josh English scored a test match century in Sri Lanka in the last month itself, where they played a two-match series against them, and they are coming from a very good purple patch, we can say, by playing in Sri Lanka and in India against India, and playing a good quality spinners and bowlers. So playing against England with this kind of bowling attack was always gonna be easy by considering in the form which they come, and but obviously we don't expect these two to take a game from 130 to till 350.
Overall, a great match.
Overall, a
Great,
great match.
finish in the end by Maxwell scoring, I think, 30 odd runs in 15 balls, which is what was needed. They finished off the match.
मैक्सवेल है भाई, वो कभी कुछ भी कर सकते हैं.
And I mean, they needed Maxwell to do this because Stoin is retired. He was not part of this team. Mitchell Marsh was not part of this team. The only all-rounder,
हाँ.
proper all-rounder that they have is
मिचेल
Maxwell.
मार्श तो मतलब वो उसका करियर पूरा इंजरी में ही गया, मेरे को तो ऐसा ही लग रहा है जैसा आया.
उसको कैप्टनसी भी दे दिया था ना यार.
Mitchell Marsh was supposed to be the white ball captain, but due to his injury, that was handed over to Pat Cummins.
And then Pat Cummins also got injured, so now it is handed over to Steve Smith. Steve Smith making a comeback after whatever happened between him, Warner, and Bancroft. And now he's the captain again, winning his first match, getting 2 points, very valuable, finishing the match a 350 target before 50 overs. They had 2.5 overs to spare, which helps their run rate as well. So a great match all in all. If you've not seen the match, go watch the highlights. It is one for a long time to be
इवन
discussed.
इंग्लैंड का बॉलिंग भी अब तो जमात नहीं था.
तो ये वही तो इसलिए तो हार गए अभी क्या ही बोलना है
Obvious
डिस्कस
है.
ही नहीं करने का. दो
मतलब-
विकेट लिए
हाँ.
प्रेशर में डाला बट कैरी एंड इंग्लिश नेवर रियली लुक्ड इन प्रेशर.
They always got that one odd ball to score a boundary here and there, जिससे वो लोग का run rate भी काफी ऊपर नहीं गया, and that was a perfect platform for Maxwell to come and finish the game.
I mean, one day games when you watch in between all the T20 leagues and everything happening, one of the key important factor is rotating the strike, which is what they did, and targeting that one bad ball in an over जो कोई भी लेवल पे बॉलर डालता ही है.
Yes.
इफ नॉट इन द सेम ओवर, 2 ओवर में एक खराब बॉल तो डालेगा ही. एंड बिकॉज द बॉलर आल्सो थिंकिंग राइट, वो सोच रहा है कि हाँ मैं चल शायद स्टंप पे डाल दूंगा, मेरे को मिल जाएगा विकेट, मैं थोड़ा फुल डाल देता हूँ, स्विंग हो जाएगा, मैं थोड़ा आगे गुड लेंथ पे शॉर्ट हो जाता है स्पिनर का बॉल, मैं स्पिन करने का ट्राई कर रहा हूँ. काफी चीजें होती है, बॉलर्स आर आल्सो ट्राइंग. एंड इफ यू हैव अ लेग स्पिनर इज नॉट 100% accurate. So bowling one bad ball in 10 balls always happens. So that is where they capitalized and they won the match. I think Australia now becomes the favorite to enter the finals, semi-finals. And with their bowling department still needing some work, I hope they recover and they come back stronger in the next match. England has a lot to think about. Their bowling has not worked. It did not work in India. It is not working now. So closing thoughts. What would you want to say to both the teams? अरे तमने लोगों ने पूछू में what do you want to say to both the teams?
Brandon McCullum has taken the charge as their full-time coach, so he will be coaching the white ball tournaments as well. So it's a
All right,
Fantasy.
coming to the fantasy teams. Namit, why don't you pick up the teams and let us know how the scoring went?
he being the third with 630 points. His captain Josh Butler scoring 110 points. Steve Smith 19.5 points altogether.
So he did not have English or bucket.
No.
No,
दोनों सेंचुरी
तो मैंने लेके फिर वापस निकाल दिए.
निकाल दिया.
not English. Van der Ket, Glenn Maxwell, Matthew Short, the 4 high-scoring players of the match.
कैरी भी नहीं था.
Gary Vineta.
तुम खेलते क्यों हो बे? तुमसे ना हो पाएगा.
Me being the second, I was leading the chart for around almost 85 to 90 overs until Maxwell came to bat, because I didn't had him in my team. So I ended up on 972.5 points, and Krish won at 996.5 points.
996, just a difference of 23
24
points, 24
points.
points, and that too because of
the
Maxwell
Maxwell.
coming in.
Yes.
So I think गाली देनी चाहिए कैरी को. Out क्यों साले? So that is where the scoring is. We'll update the. I mean, this is where the chart comes up. This is where the standings are when we talk about the game. This is what game 5, game 4. All right, so this is where our standing is after game 4, and the next match in the match that we are all waiting for. It's India versus
पाकिस्तान.
all right.
पाकिस्तान को अपनी मम्मी याद कराने आ रही है इंडिया.
पाकिस्तान को अपना पप्पा ना, हम क्यों पाकिस्तान के बाप हैं? भारत माता की जय, but हम पाकिस्तान के बाप हैं. Nice. All right, so our first thought, I mean, we are all Indians.
Obviously, भाई this is the मतलब लोग इसके लिए ही रुके हैं कि ये मैच के लिए ही तो
ICC भी इसके लिए रुका है कि भाई थोड़ा धंधा होएगा.
इसीलिए संडे को रखते हैं.
इसलिए संडे को रखते हैं, सबके लिए क्लियर. You should have nothing else to do. Only watch India versus Pakistan. Nami, what are your thoughts?
India are the clearly favorites. Pakistan team don't match a challenge against us. ये तो इंडिया पाकिस्तान राइवलरी को इतना हाइप ही नहीं करना चाहिए until and unless it's the monetary values that bring to the table to ICC. But Pakistan team doesn't have any competition to us. It's like a C team of any country playing against us. So it's a easy win for us.
So in Viru's word, why should we be scared of Pakistan?
Yes.
I mean, एक जमाने में बांग्लादेश भी पाकिस्तान हुआ करता था. तो
हालात तो दोनों के वही है.
हालात तो आज भी दोनों के वही है. तो हमें क्यों ही कदर करनी चाहिए. And considering the recent form Pakistan has and the challenges that they have, I mean, every bowler, every batsman, every player is great in individual capacity. But
जब भी टीम में आता है तभी वो they
They're
don't
lacking a leader who can bring a team together and then get a match-winning performance out of them.
But that is because they don't understand what this one is saying. No? वो कहना क्या चाहते हैं?
Yes, he's a do.
I mean,
और ये पाकिस्तान तो पहली टीम है जो होम कंट्री में होस्ट करके दूसरे कंट्री में जाके मैच खेलने जाती है. मतलब
लाचारी.
so yeah, that is why in the first video I said that the Champions Trophy is kind of happening in Pakistan because their home advantage is taken away. They have to go to their second home.
Beggars can't be choosers.
Beggars can't be choosers.
गजब बेइज्जती है.
All right, so clearly India is favorite for us. We are very biased when it comes to India, and consistently
tomorrow Virat Kohli day is there.
Virat Kohli day because of course everybody
Yeah, of
remembers
course, yes.
But
those
पाकिस्तान के सामने उसको कुछ हो जाता है.
हाँ,
the
मतलब
golden words
yes.
of Harsha Bhogle in the T20 match. Kohli
Oh,
goes down the ground.
wow.
Kohli goes out of the park. It is
मतलब
a
that shot मतलब
shot of an emperor. That is what
और-
Harsha Bhogle said in that video
But-
live commentary.
आई फील कि वो मैच में हार्दिक पांड्या का रोल भी बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट था जो उसको कैरी करके वो चला. मतलब उसके बाद जो एक सीरीज आया था जब भी दे वर गिविंग इंटरव्यूज, सो विराट कोहली वाज आल्सो टेलिंग कि हार्दिक पांड्या वाज टेलिंग मी कि हो जाएगा अब चलो एंड दैट पुशेस हिम आल्सो. और एनीवे विराट कोहली इज विराट कोहली.
Story of every World Cup where India wins, the याद तो वही आता है जिसने छक्का मारा. So yeah, I mean,
इवन हार्दिक पांड्या उसका भी बहुत अच्छा राइवलरी है पाकिस्तान के सामने.
I mean, of course,
But I think we should also appreciate the bowling attack of Pakistan. बहुत tough रहेगा इंडिया के लिए to score against the मतलब
the quick bowlers of
quick bowlers,
Pakistan.
Shaheen Afridi, Nazim Shah, Haris Rauf.
I mean, those are the three bowlers that you have to really watch out for. Shaheen Shah Afridi has a habit of getting early wickets. And
Of
that
Rohit
is-
Sharma.
Of Rohit Sharma, of course, that in-swinging ball coming in, Rohit Sharma can get out.
We have seen that in the T20 World Cup.
Yeah, it has happened. I think 2-3 times now. And Rohit Sharma has Mitchell Stark also gets Rohit Sharma out the same way. There are many left-arm bowlers who get Rohit Sharma out the same way. They know that he's a bit lazy at the start. They know that he can not really play that ball coming in, and that has even if you watch the recent matches when he's tried to hit the ball for a pull, वो बॉल अंदर ही आने वाले थे जो पुल करने की कोशिश कर रहा था और वो थोड़ा अर्ली हो गया उसमें और उसका टॉप एज लग के विकेट जा रहा है. तो वो एक है. But knowing that he scored 40 in the first match, I think he's ready for this challenge. I think he's gonna be doing the same thing that he did during the World Cup. Give us a very good start.
Even in 2019 World Cup against Pakistan, he scored 119 runs. वो भी बहुत ही
I mean, that is a fact coming from Krish that none of us knew or remembered.
रोहित शर्मा का है ना इसके
Because it is a Rohit Sharma fact. Alright. As we all know, Krish's mobile number ends with 45 for the only reason that he loves Rohit Sharma. उसके पहले 18 भी आता है, but वो another story है for a different time. So of course I'm not gonna really ask anyone who's gonna win this match.
Yes.
We all
पर अगर
think
पहला बैटिंग रहेगा तो आई फील रोहित शर्मा का इनिंग बहुत ही तगड़ा रहेगा.
माना चाहिए सेंचुरी 150 200 इसकी माँ का
हाँ.
250 पौने 300 ही मार दे
बट
तो
पहले
300 मार
हाँ,
दे.
पहले इनिंग में आई डोंट फील जो विराट कोहली जो अग्रेशन जो विराट कोहली है ना वो फर्स्ट इनिंग में
वो
मजा
तो
नहीं
चेस
आएगा.
मास्टर ही है.
वो अगर चेस हुआ तो ही मजा आएगा.
I mean that is when the aggression, the
Aggression,
true
yes.
aggression, and that aggression comes with class.
Yes.
It's not just pure.
हाँ.
You don't see Kohli aggressive when he's batting. You see Kohli extremely classy, technical, driven. Driven is the word I would say. उसका जो वो compassion, passion है ना वो drive में बदल जाता है कि वो आता है एक गोल लेके आता है मेरे को वो गोल अचीव करना है. I think same goes with Hardik Pandya also when he's chasing. I feel he's a great batsman when it comes to first batting, but वो chase कर रहा है important team के सामने वो सोच के आता है कि मैं तो कुछ करके दिखाऊंगा.
क्रेजी ऑरा मैन
और thousand plus
तीन
thousand.
वीडियो पहले तो ऑरा मैन कौन भूला था दोनों ऐसा बोल रहे थे. अभी खुद ऑरा मैन भूला रहे हैं.
अभी मेरे तो पर्सनल रीजन है
आपने
तेरे
बोला
क्या.
था ना, इसके लिए मानना पड़ेगा.
So yeah, I mean, I तो had personal reasons and he's my cousin, so I convinced him also. But ठीक है, for another time, Hardik, we'll discuss something.
I think even Rizwan will have an important role tomorrow. I feel कि Rizwan will be playing a big knock tomorrow क्योंकि वो उसको भी कुछ हो जाता है इंडिया के सामने.
I mean, he's the captain. He's been playing decently well in the recent times, so he should. Busy player is what most of the people say, and that is what we were talking about. One day mate is important that you have a player who can rotate strike, who can score runs quickly, and then
Yes,
they have
it's-
Khushdil Shah in the end. I think Khushdil is a very important player for Pakistan. He's there, Pandya. Not as consistent as Pandya, but he can score big. गुजराती में बोलते हैं ना थोड़ा जड़ बुद्धि नो जे. I think Khushdil is that kind of a player के बैट के नीचे आया तो मैं घुमा सकता हूँ. Alright, do we want to discuss our fantasy picks?
मेरा तो फिक्स है. रोहित शर्मा will be my captain any day.
Rohit Sharma is your captain.
Yes.
Alright, I'll go first. My captain is of course Virat Kohli. I want him to score big. I would usually not have Virat Kohli as my captain if he was playing against any other team. But against Pakistan, Virat Kohli is my captain. Hardik Pandya being my vice captain. And my X Factor player, which I think will score big today, is going to be Khushdil Shah. I think he's gonna get an opportunity to score some runs. What about you?
So my captain will be Akshar Patel. So I feel Akshar Patel खेलेगा बड़ा क्योंकि वो बॉलिंग में भी 2-3 विकेट ले लेगा, फील्डिंग में भी 1-2 कैच पकड़ लेगा, रन आउट करा सकता है. एंड इवन अभी तो फर्स्ट मैच में देखा कि उसको प्रमोट भी किया ऊपर.
Yeah, he's playing
Really
really
well.
combination की वजह से number
Number
4, number 5.
सो आई थिंक कि अगर क्विक विकेट्स आता है तो उसको प्रमोट करेंगे और मे बी क्विक 30-40
I don't think अक्षर पटेल को पाकिस्तान के सामने ऊपर भेजेंगे because of the bowling attack Pakistan has. मुझे
No, but
लगता है
considering the fact that we don't know how they play Akshar Patel and
और एक लेफ्टी राइटी कॉम्बिनेशन
हाँ,
में मिल
Gautam Gambhir is
जाएगा.
very-
बॉलिंग लाइनअप से मतलब नहीं है ना. इट्स द थिंग दैट व्हिच वी
plus they
वांट
have
टू
a leg
मेंटेन.
spinner also, no? To get rid of the leg spinner and if Virat Kohli is playing तो लाओ leg spinner को तो फिर अक्षर पटेल मैनेज कर लेगा. That is something that can work out for us in our favor.
एंड माय वाइस कैप्टन इज मोहम्मद रिजवान. एज मैंने तो बोला कि वो खेलेगा ही कल क्योंकि वो पाकिस्तान इंडिया के सामने कुछ हो ही जाता है उसको. एंड माय स्टार प्लेयर फॉर टुमारो इज श्रेयस अय्यर. आई थिंक श्रेयस अय्यर इज वेरी अंडररेटेड प्लेयर.
Yeah, we didn't even talk about it. That is how underrated he is.
But-
Not rated at all.
बट श्रेयस अय्यर इज इन गुड फॉर्म राइट नाउ और मुझे लग रहा है कि आई फील कि टुमारो ओपनिंग नहीं चला तो श्रेयस अय्यर विल बी अ बिग गेम.
Alright, moving on to Krish.
मेरा तो कैप्टन फिक्स है रोहित शर्मा एंड माय वाइस कैप्टन इज मोहम्मद शमी बिकॉज मुझे पाकिस्तान के बैट्समैन पे भरोसा है कि वो विकेट दे देंगे मोहम्मद शमी को.
हाँ but वो रन खाता है मोहम्मद शमी.
हाँ चलेगा ना. विकेट ले लेगा 3 तो चलेगा. फाइफर जैसे लिया फर्स्ट मैच में. आई एक्सपेक्ट हिम टू बोल सेम.
इट्स एक्साइटिंग टू सी दिस टीम. वो अलग ही टीम बनाता है कुछ.
So-
हाँ, I mean it's sometimes you wonder right कि गरीब कैसे जीते हैं. जो हारे हुए लोग होते हैं वो क्या करते हैं, क्या सोचते हैं. Sometimes.
So Virat Kohli will be my captain as the pressure is what's
my
making.
चोरी करा जा रहा है thought. सीधा.
I am begging Shot Shakil to come good in this match and
शाउट शकील.
he will be my vice captain.
शाउट शकील क्या करता है?
पता नहीं.
the lefty batsman bats at number 4.
हाँ मुझे जानना था
ऐसे तो
इसलिए
देखा जाए तो
मैंने
पूरा
पूछा।
कंट्री क्या कर रहा है वो ही नहीं पता.
And I will back Akshar Patel, Aga Salman, and Hardik Pandya, both three of the all-rounders, to come and deliver when the team has some requirements from them. Imam Ulak, I guess, will play a good knock. He's
Yeah,
coming.
Imam Ulaq should, but Imam Ulaq पता है अपने को कि खेलने वाला है.
Yes, he has came in a replacement for Fakhar Zaman.
अच्छा. So Imam Ulaq is replacing Fakhar Zaman, that means, and Fakhar Zaman is out of the tournament.
Yes.
Oh, that's a sad thing. I was looking forward to Fakhar Zaman making a great comeback, so I could just keep on saying Fakhar Zaman, Fakhar Zaman, Fakhar Zaman.
So yeah, that's bad.
That's it. That's it from all of us. We think India is gonna win, and we look forward to celebrating the win together.
Yes.
And we'll be back for the next episode. Bye.
Bye.